say what it was about. Do, 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 do. You're here, I'm pleased. Your company, your style, your peace mentality. Got it. Now I can see what it takes. Baby, I feel free. Come on and go with me. Let's take a long walk. I had to do a video. After dark. Hi. Yvonne? Ivona? I think I know you. Hi. My one viewer. Hopefully more people will see it later. So hi, it's Sandra here from the UK. And I try to share on Facebook. I usually do my videos on there, but for some reason today, I don't know why. But I've been struggling with something. And it's massive. I've got a massive test to sit. And most people that know me, reading and study is not my thing, though I've done a lot of it over my years. And this thing is so big and so scary, I thought if I don't get some accountability by sharing it, I won't do it. I mean, I am clucking. So all this week I've been getting up early, doing early studies. So today, it's been a struggle all week, but today was like super hard. I found it hard to sleep because I was worried I had to get up early. Hi, it's you. How you doing? So good to see you. So, like I'm saying, I'm sure other people have experienced this, and why I'm sharing it is because I got up and I was like really sluggish, and it took me ages to get my mojo and get myself organised. And then when I did, I don't know why I don't usually put on the phone and go through stuff, but I put the phone on and I went onto YouTube and I listened to a man named Dr. Boyce Watkins. And he'd recently done a video, and I said, let me see what he's saying. It's a 30-minute video, see if this will get me into motivated. And he's speaking about exactly what I'm experiencing now. I said, no, it's something going on, because he was speaking about he had to start running. He started to run. He started to eat healthy, and how it's hard it's been for him. And he's up doing this cold 5K thing, which is running in the freezing cold, 5 miles, whatever floats your boat. For me, I must really leave that out. But just to get up and do my usual yoga routine, and I get up a bit earlier because I have to do the study. I have to do blinking reading. If you see papers, I've got a massive file. Where's the massive file? So I just wanted to share that I understand the struggle because I experienced it myself. Though I do encourage other people, I more encourage children to kind of get past their hurdles. But for me, it's been, and today, you should have seen me. I had to get up. But I'm tired. But it's cold. But if I didn't sleep enough, I need another hour. It was another excuse I gave myself. Eventually, I got up. I got up half an hour later than I should have, but I got up. And then when I saw the video, I said, no, I have to share it because I think a lot of people must experience this. So I wrote down some notes. And it's like, the battle that you're fighting is not generally that I have to get up, I have to do the exercise, I have to eat the right breakfast to then do the study. The battle I've struggled with is that it's with me to do the thing. It's me to get up, to go and get it done. It's me. It's in you. So it's not that thing that you have to do to get that thing that you want. So it's an Ofsted exam that I'm going to sit, but I have to do the study to get there. But the struggle isn't that thing. It's not the Ofsted exam that's the problem. It's me getting myself motivated to go and do what I need to do. Oh, why have I got this silly thing here? Haven't I? Yeah, accountability. I mean, I swear, it's the hardest thing. But I've managed to do it myself so far. And I've really pushed and I've managed to do it myself. Hiya! But gosh, it has been hard just this week, and I've still got another 6 weeks, if I'm lucky, of studies, intense study and like note taking and making sure I get this information in my head, because I want this thing, I want this facility, and this Ofsted exam will give it to me. So what I'm looking for is like people that can give you accountability. So yes, I must get up early, I must exercise, I must eat the right breakfast, and I must get the study done. There's no excuses. Don't get up and say, well, I'll go and do X, Y, Z, take a walk, make a phone call. Oh, I must do this other thing. Don't try and get out of it. And that's what I find I've been doing. And like I said, this morning was the hardest. The hardest. I really thought I wasn't going to make it. I thought, I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to lie in today. I'll do it tomorrow. But I said, no, something made me get up and then press the video and then see. Just visualize the end result. Absolutely. I've got plans drawn up and everything, so the end result is going to be nice. But so for me, it was to get up early, make sure I get up early and I do the training and I eat the right breakfast. And then the next thing, so it's 2 things I've got to do too. The next thing is that I must sit still for at least 2 hours and do the study. If I can do the 2 hours, then I can just carry on. But I find if I stop in the middle somewhere, I'll make excuses not to get there and I won't do it. And then I'm put out all day. I know I haven't done it and then it's frustrated me. I go to bed and it's bugging me and you're repeating and repeating. So this week I started the regime of making sure I do the study, because the getting up early is not a big deal really. I think it's a study I'm procrastinating about. Anyone that knows me, I don't like reading. You have to read, but because you know I started late, so it's like, oh man. It's the hardest thing, but yeah, so accountability is what I need. So I'm going to organise myself a day when I come on here and I tell you what I've done or not done, as it might be some cases, because you know it's like, isn't it? And there's emergencies, and then somebody was like really rude to me the other day, which really kind of took me off my track, going, well, what happened? You know, why is this person being mean? I'm getting there. I know I am, but yeah, just to keep pushing through. That's what I'm trying to do. So thank you for listening. That's the end of my video. So Sandra signing out. I'd like to say thank you to a few people. I usually do this, like I say, on Facebook, but I couldn't get on it today. So I'd like to say a massive thank you to Sandy Joseph. She's excellent. She lives in Birmingham, and she is not so much an accountability partner, but somebody that I share we have similar visions about our business and what we want to do in the future. Michelle Sanderson is part of that group, and it's a Club Lady Day group. And then there's the American guys. There's Dr. George, who recently passed away. I'm really sad about that. There's Desiree Lee. There's Mia Redrick. She's a really excellent coach. Ashley Ann. And definitely, you know, I'm going to make mistakes, but what can you do? You have to try in it. You have to give it a go. And that's what I'm going to try and do. So, yes, visualize the end result and stick to it. Keep on my game. Thank you for listening, guys. I hope you have a really excellent, fantastic, it's Friday today, productive day and awesome weekend. Take care. Bye.